Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Saturday. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody is safe. We made it. It is a new month ahead of us now. We got back to school going. And then pretty soon, good old Santa Claus will be here. You guys can add it onto your Amazon wish list. This is coming from Crenova XPE 498 projector. Oh, nice. This is what the package looks like. Yeah, buddy. Here we go, spinneroonie. And that looks good. And now we're gonna open this up. I'll do a test run. Got the mini PlayStation down here, so we'll pop in a game. But the movie I'll do most likely on Instagram to show you guys what it looks like for the movies. This would be a nice little gaming projector, a backup one. Nice housewarming gift, baby shower, birthday, bar mitzvah. Here we go. Alright, here we go. Now let's go see what this thing looks like. How do we open it? Shimmy, shimmy, yeah. Alrighty. We got it. One shot deal. Get this out. So we got the power. That's pretty nice. And keep that aside. Ooh. How do we get these out? Oh man. Ooh. Alright. Must be the HDMI cables. So this is kind of like a nice little mini projector we got going on here. Like I said, that's all you gotta do. Click on the link down below, add it to your cart, check out. I believe it's on sale, so these will definitely be going fast. Since now everybody wants everything big, especially for the gaming. These are sweet to have. And movies, Netflix, and Hulu. They're streaming it up now, and this is definitely a great technology to have in your basement, even in your college dorm. You don't really need a screen for it. You can just shoot it off the wall, take it outside with you. So, really cool technology though they got out. I'm definitely happy to see this one right here. And nice. White. So this is like my first white projector I have. I like this one. Here we go. Oh, this is a nice change. It's rubber plastic. So they got the turn knob right here to adjust the sides. These probably light up maybe. About to find out. Got the buttons up here. Here, the menu button, power button, up, down, left, right, enter. Not sure what this one is yet. Figure that one out later. We got down here, computer, VGA, power. What does this thing do? Oh, must be on the side. Alright. That's probably the RF slot. And there we go. We got at least one HDMI, but you can run a splinter off those. I'll leave a link down below. I got the 4K upgrade. Pretty sweet. USB, headphones, and audio. Make a surround. But if you got a Bluetooth receiver, you're good to go. Take a look now at this magic. Oh, it doesn't come with batteries. Arr. I might have to go grab some. Actually, no, I don't. We got AAAs. I'll leave the link down below if you guys need some AAAs. Amazon Basics are just as good, if not better, than Energizer. So They last a pretty long time too. I'm not sure the lifetime, but it could hold. So I'll leave the links down below for those AAAs. Oh, come on. Just trying to unveil this one. But hold on one sec. Alright, see, these are the Amazon Basics AAAs right there. But I mean, they give you a lot for a great price on like the 24 pack or 48 pack they have. So definitely gonna need it now with Christmas around the corner. This remote has a nice feel to it. Up, down, up, left, right. So, alright, now got the HDMI cord. We got the audios, red, yellow, white. Don't need this right now. When you guys are done watching the video, just cover it up. And we got one of these bad boys that goes in the bottom. Kind of like a mini stand. Uh-oh, my phone's gonna die. So I'm gonna charge my phone and then set up the game and show you guys what the video quality looks like. So right there, all you gotta do is have some fun. Screw it in. There you go. So you can just adjust it where you want it. I think that might be good for now. It should hold. Alright, keep it on the white part right here. Go low. So that looks pretty cool. See, there it is right there. Looking good though. So, alright, I'm gonna go give it some power to this thing. And then we're gonna beam it off that wall right there. Like I said, I don't have no screen, and it looks pretty amazing without a screen. So, but this is my first time trying this company out, Crenova, and I'll be back. Alrighty, YouTubers, my phone is pretty much good enough to charge now. We're gonna check out this Crenova XPE 498 projector. I got it all set up. We're gonna take a stroll. There it is. Looking good. I haven't turned it on yet, so it's plugged in. Got the HDMI running there. And I got one of these, I don't know if you can see it, but the 4K 4-port HDMI extender. So, like I said, it has one HDMI side. Got the PlayStation going. And turning it on. Oh, here we go. Oh, yeah, I'm definitely gonna have to adjust it. See where I'm gonna have it set up and everything for you guys, but alright. Yeah, I'm gonna have to adjust. Hold on one sec. Alrighty, YouTubers, I got it finally good set up right now where I could read it. And we got it standard, medium, 60 by 9. Let's see what other auto. Okay, hit the back button. Here's it. Menu. Noise. Color temperature, medium. Picture mode, standard. We got standard, soft, user, vivid, standard. Exit. Change the source. We will go with HDMI. Let me shut off the light. Alright, I decided to go with Sonic Mania. Let's see how this runs. volume. Hey, that looks clear. Let me try to back up a little bit more. Sounds pretty good for a standard speaker. And plus it needs to get broken in more, so give it a few hours. But that looks really good though. I'll show you a different angle by my desk. Man, that is pretty good though. So YouTubers, add it to your wish list. Check it out. There you go. Some game. There you go. Alright, starts from the beginning. Maybe I can show you what it looks like. The game. There you go. I'm not gonna play it, I'll just show you what it looks like. There you go. There you go. And this is without a screen, so I don't know how much better it could look, but if you guys want to add a screen to it, check them out. I do believe they have screens. So there you have it, YouTubers. Be safe, have a great weekend, and I'll see you guys soon. See ya.